What is going on, everyone? Today we got some exciting news, man. We got the first sponsor on the C5 Zach channel, and it is going to be AMT Custom Designs. They were nice enough to send me over some custom sill plates for my doors on the old C5. They're an awesome company. You guys should check them out. They have some really cool stuff like sill plates for your doors, engine covers, all kinds of covers, and cool show car stuff that you guys can think of. They do custom stuff and ranging from C5 all the way to the C8. So go give them a follow, check them out. They have a ton of stuff on their website and they're very nice. They're nice enough to send these over, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So guys, these are the sill plates. Very nice quality. These things are pretty badass. I was honestly really surprised when I got them, how nice they are. I opted to get them in carbon flash metallic, which is essentially black with some flake in it. Show you guys with the light. These things look really cool. They're gonna look cool in the sun too. Red Corvette lettering and your Corvette emblem. They have options for the 50th anniversary badge, and you can do different color text. And I'm sure you can really customize them if you guys, reach out to them. But yeah, these are it, man. These things are sweet. They do have like some carbon fiber options and stuff, but these came in at $250 in case you're wondering. They're on the website. I'll link everything for you guys so you can check them out. And like I said, this is the carbon flash metallic. Look at that, man. It's real paint. The emblem is, embossed, so you can actually feel it. It's 3D. Same with the lettering. It's raised. It's not just some stickers or something they slapped on. This stuff's actually really good quality. Yeah, these things are awesome. So I'm gonna get these thrown on. I'll show you guys the old ones because they're absolutely terrible, and this should be a really good, easy upgrade. Moving over to the C5, you can see my stock sill plates. These things are awful. They've been on here for 24 years, so pretty sure I can just peel them right off. Yep, look at that. Just peel them right up. But yeah, these new ones are gonna look way better. Let's get these on, man. I'm just gonna take them off, clean them up with some acetone, and lay the new ones on with some adhesive that it comes with. I'll show you guys. Well, that was probably harder than it should have been, but we got it all off as best as I could. I'm gonna give it a once over, but you could definitely tell that adhesive has been on there for 20 some years. It was a pain to get off. But anyways, like I said, gonna give it a once over, and then I will show you guys how to put the new sill plates on. Alright guys, so once you have that all cleaned up, you're gonna grab your sill plates and you're gonna take off this adhesive on the back. And then, pretty simple, once you got the adhesive exposed, you're gonna line this edge up here with the edge on the door, and I'll show you guys. So you're gonna line the edge of the sill plate up with the edge, or that gap in the door right here, and it'll fit in there perfectly. And then the back will obviously go into place from there. So let's slap these babies in. Like I said, line that edge up with that gap, and then that's it. Press them on. Didn't align it perfectly. See if I can pull it back without breaking it. This adhesive is good, damn. That's really good. Alright, well, don't do what I did. Make sure it's perfect before you press it down. There we go. Now we're lined up. Those things are definitely never coming off. That adhesive is really strong. So just press down for a while, probably about 30 seconds or so, and then you're all good to go. Then we'll hop over and do the passenger side. Well, you guys, there you have it, man. There is the AMT Custom Designs seal plates for the C5 Corvette. I think they came out awesome. They look really good. Give you guys another shot, but quality is there, man. They're a really nice piece. Check out AMT Designs. Thanks again for sponsoring this video, and until next time, man. Peace.